What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria, in case you don't know. Let's like, comment, share, subscribe. But let's get into this video right now, okay? So a few minutes ago, not even an hour ago, TMZ, the body cam footage from Breonna Taylor's murder was released. So I'm about to show you guys the body cam footage so you guys can see. As of right now, if somebody does not get charged, death trial, something for this murder, then y'all need to know something is up. And then something needs to happen, because ain't no way. Just watch it, okay? Just watch it. I have no words. Justice for Breonna Taylor. That's all I have to say. Justice for Breonna Taylor.
Clear.
We're gonna check the bed.
Check her. We gotta check her.
Check her.
You want me to call this? She's good.
You want
The bed up. I'm gonna go this way.
You want Tim's in here?
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead and get EMS in here.
Hey, Tim, come inside. Medic inside.
Clear.
You help roll her over.
Joe. There you go, buddy.
I'm gonna check her pulse.
Ma'am, can you hear us? Louisville Metro Police Department. Check that wrist, dude. Check the wrist.
Medic up.
Medic up.
Hey, let's see if we can get some lights on for him.
Yep.
There's a hallway light. See if they
Hey.
I'm not feeling
Let's
anything.
do this. He needs room to work. Everybody else clear the hell out. Go out the boat door, please. Let Joel, let Zumach, everybody else, let's go. At least into the living room. Zumach,
Yeah.
let them out real quick.
All right.
So you can go.
Joe, will you step back so I can get out?
Drywall.
GSW to the chest.
Hey, watch out. Hey guys, just watch out for this casing right here.
There's also slug and casings in here.
Stuff on here.
Huh?
Casing there, slug there, casings here.
For clarification, suspect at the location.
What's this address?
Let me grab this bag real
Yes.
quick.
Yeah.
Hey, don't turn your cameras off. Hey,
3003 Springfield, apartment 3.
Ford. Apartment 4. Now trying to go ahead and move out. Right. She's done. We'll keep one person here on her. She's done.
I say,
right here.
I say keep two.
Okay, I'll stay in here with her just a minute.
Like, are you kidding me? Like, for real? Like, what the fuck?